look lads, I came all the way here, right, and Secret's closed. Look at all these mad things. Beautiful cars. FD2s, FLs, FKs. That's the new one, yeah, but it's not a Type R. That's the SI, but this is a Type R. The Secret lip. Look, it's unfortunate, right, that the shop's closed, but it is what it is. I had a look at their the signage on the door and said that they close on every Thursdays. A bit awkward because I thought they'd be closed on weekends instead. But sure, look, what can you do? Now I have to go back to the main Tokyo metro area. That's another long walk, but at least we tried, so it is what it is. No complaints. They do have nice little merchandise in there though. I've seen a few bags, stickers, hats and t-shirts. Look at this, the Pokemon Center down in Shinbabashi? Yeah, whatever, sorry, I apologise. There's a new Pokemon Center DX that's just got built there like last year. I'm telling you, another thing is off the box. I take another thing off the box. To give you one of these, you walk around, look for whatever Pokemon's hidden around. But I only came here for the retail. Picking up a few bits. But yeah, my wallet is getting burnt right now.